So we just harvested these 4 sweet peppers from the garden. This was our first harvest. So I'm going to make a snack from this. So here I have prepared a filling. This is boiled potatoes cooked in cumin powder, coriander seeds powder, chili powder, mango powder, and salt. So you can use any filling you want. Normally, I'm a vegetarian, so I make potato filling or I make paneer filling. So this is just potato filling. So I'm going to fill these in these peppers. So to fill it, first you have to make a slit in it. So just lengthwise, just cut it in half so that you can fill it. So do it for all of these. And you don't need to remove the seeds or anything because these are sweet pepper. If they were hot, you could remove the seeds. And now, because our filling is good, it is tasty, but these peppers, they don't have anything in it, so you want to salt them a little bit. So just take a pinch of salt and kind of rub inside the slit so that they get some taste. Otherwise they'll be really bland. And now we can just take some filling and fill in here. Just like this. I'm making a mess here, but that's fine. So all our peppers are filled now. So now we can cook them. So I'll just empty the same pan. I'll put rest of the filling here. Turn on the heat. Put a little bit of oil. I think oil is hot, so I can just put the peppers here. I'm going to remove these stems because otherwise it's kind of hard to flip them in the pan. So you can hear the sizzling sound. So just saute them on medium heat till the time you start getting some brown spots. And keep turning them over so that they are evenly browned. You can see that some of the peppers have started turning white. So you can see that they have started to turn brown. So you can serve it in 2 ways. If you want to use it as a side dish with your main meal, then you want to make sure that they are a little bit softer all around. So you may want to cover it with a lid so that they get soft. But if you want to serve them as snack, then this is perfect right now. Because you want it crisp and you want it little bit brown. So this is perfect. I have turned off the heat. And our pepper snack is ready. So it is pretty straightforward. You make a filling of your choice, whatever you like. I used potato filling and I put Indian spices in it. You can use whatever you want. and fill it in the pepper. Just make sure that you salt the peppers from inside, and then just saute them lightly on stove and you are done. So I hope this recipe was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy cooking!